Welcome to our next tutorial of QUICKSURFACE. I demonstrate this on an organic object, but you can apply this on any big object. And what it's all about, we introduced for mesh selection something which is called selection status. And I'll show you what this is. Normally, if you have a big object, you may want to focus on one area, then move to another. So let's try and isolate and get the head only. I just paint and create my selection here. Right click and say isolate. So now I have my head, and here what I can do is actually I can save this as a status, as something that I can use in the future, and I name it head. This status appears under the reference mesh. Then I can continue, I can show everything, and maybe I can just take this paint around this hand here, and again I can isolate like this one, have this object, and I can name this as a hand. Then I can press save, and then I can zoom in, show hidden. Let's get the dog head now, for example. You just select something and leave it on the screen. Using the different tools, you can even hide these. And now I can save this as a dog head. Then, if you press OK, you can save this. This goes into the file. So if I save this in the future, when you load it, it will be available in the file. So I can show the whole object here. Even more, I can just, when I'm here, I can just save this as a whole scan. So what it's about, if you just double click on one of these status, it will just activate my selection. Will hide all the triangles, for example this one, or whole scan. And this is quite flexible if you want to focus and use only partial areas of the mesh. I hope this is useful. Thank you for watching.